Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a subscribe button using HTML and CSS. So first of all, we need to make the framework for HTML. Our HTML tag, then we need a head tag in which we will add a title. Let's keep this subscribe button. And now our link tag to link our CSS file to our HTML file. So now what does this line of code do? This shows us that our file is a style sheet and the file name is button.css. In the head tag, we only see the things, we only include the things which are not seen in the body of a web page. So in the body of a web page, we are going to make our button. We'll give it a class so we can style it by CSS. Make this subscribe. Now this is done. Now let's open it using Now you can see I've opened the file. Now we need to make a CSS file. So now we need to style our subscribe button because it doesn't look like a YouTube subscribe button, does it? So we need to make sure that we use our class name the same as it was. Now we need to add a background color which is red. This is red. Save and refresh. So now it still doesn't look that much like a subscribe button. Its text is supposed to be white. So text color white. Now after text color, we need to add some space as it's too small. Let's keep it 10 pixels. Keep in mind that padding top bottom should be same and left right should be same. So let's see the changes. Yeah, now we need to add more spacing to the left and right. Section pixels, I'm not sure if it's exact or not, so I'm just checking it. Maybe 15. Yep, now that's done. Now we need to change our cursor as in a subscribe button from a mouse, like the cursor, instead of a mouse, it changes to a pointer, which is like this, as you can see. So for that, This will make it into a pointer. So from a mouse, it becomes a pointer. So now next we need to remove the borders as they are not needed in a subscribe button. Now our subscribe button is in a perfect rectangular shape, which isn't like a YouTube subscribe button. So for that, we need to make the edges more curved. Let's make it 10 pixels. Nah, that's too much. So let's keep it 2 pixels. Perfect. Now this isn't exact as when we hover over the subscribe button, its opacity decreases by a bit, and when we click on it, the opacity decreases by a lot. So for that, so when we hover on it, the opacity becomes 0.8. See, when I hover on it, the opacity decreases. Now when I click it, like when I hold my mouse click, the opacity is supposed to decrease further. So for that, I made it a bit less. So when I hover, it decreases. When I click on it, it decreases even more. Now, as we can see, this thing, it just like the opacity decreases instantly. So for that, we need to change how fast does it change. So we need to use transition. Let's keep it to, so what do we need to transition? Our opacity and how long? If you do 1 second, look, the opacity will work after 1 second. As you can see, it works after exactly 1 second. That's too long, so we can keep it to something smoother, which is usually like zero point 0.2 or 0.15. So now as we can see, this thing is way smoother. And now we can link this subscribe button to any channel. So if I wanted to link it to my channel, I have to go to my HTML file. I have to use the A tag and I have to add my YouTube channel, which is this. And now I have to put the subscribe in the A tag. So then it links to our YouTube channel. If we refresh, now everything works. Now if you click on it, it redirects to our YouTube channel, as we can see over here. Now, as we saw, this thing opens in this tab. Now, what if we wanted to open it in a new tab? Instead of doing this, we can just change the target to underscore blank. This thing will open our hyperlink in a new tab. So the hyperlink opened in a new tab, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. We have made a subscribe button which replicates the YouTube subscribe button, and we started using CSS and HTML. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.